Guys, your girl, yeah, me. Guess where I'm at? You see this big blue building right here? That's for Guardians. So that means I'm at Epcot. We came to go check out the Festival of the Arts, and we want to check out the new fountain with the new crystal stuff. Oh, that pretty thing. So we're gonna check that out. Try a couple foods. There's a few things I want to try. This sounded very good. So we're gonna have to do that, and I don't know, we'll see what else we can do. But let's go have some fun. And there, everybody says there's no monorail. 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 Okay, so we're gonna head over here to the new security stuff. And there's the boo. There's the sugar boo.
That's right.
That's not. Back. Okay. Yeah, the way the sun is shining above Spaceship Earth right now is just beautiful. AKA the giant golf ball in the air. I have the big beautiful buckets, and I got the big golf ball in the air. Alright, first impression. First impression. I remember these when I came in, what was it, 86 or 87? Let me see, 87 I believe it was. Yeah, so yeah, it was very similar to what was here in 87. And I'm so glad to see it back. It is just such a beauty. And now with the sun just right above Spaceship Earth, look at that.
Dark. trying to catch, Yummy?
Oh, he's waving at us now. I think he is, or maybe he's waving at them. I don't know. Oh, now he's waving at us.
What's up, Pooh?
Hey, Pooh!
Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh. Guess what happens when you see the Pooh?
Uh-oh.
Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh. Guess what happens when you see the Pooh?
Thank you. Encore, encore, encore.
Winnie the Pooh. Okay.
Oh, he got a little dance in that one too. You know, he's trying to catch him a butterfly. Oh, he got one. Woo, there it goes. Yay, bye.
He keeps rubbing his belly.
Oh, he's ready for lunch. Must be lunchtime. Yep, Pooh's hungry. It's lunchtime. Bye, Pooh. Enjoy your lunch. Over here, bye. Enjoy your lunch. Go get you some honey. You deserve it. There he goes. There goes the Pooh. I got the Boo and the Pooh. Oh no.
Uh-oh. He's looking for it. He's looking for it.
Totally forgot to show you guys. We got the tomato soup with the grilled cheese sandwiches.
Yeah.
It was $5.25 for it. But I was seeing it was coming in a little tin can that said Pop Art or Pop Eats on it. But nope, this is what we were given. So I'm going to ask about the can because the only reason why I got it was for the can. If I knew they weren't going to give me a can, I wouldn't have ordered it. Don't you just hate that? Okay, I didn't really read too much, but I thought that was mashed potatoes, but it's parsnip curry. Yeah, that...
Not exactly sure what that is.
We're not sure. I know it's some kind of a root vegetable, but...
Let us know if anyone knows exactly what that is.
Yeah, but... Yeah, we can't do it. I kept trying, but we're going to leave that alone. This is the Mediterranean flatbread from Morocco. It looks very interesting. We're going to give it a try.
Snow White!
Here's the mural for this year that they're doing, that you can do paint by numbers. I heard someone say it's free this year, but I thought it was free every year, so I'm not sure. But we didn't get this done yet. We didn't do anything yet. We're gonna do it next time. We did a lot today. Actually, your girl is hit. I'm done. Stick a fork in me. I'm done. We've had a busy day, but it's been a fun day. Tried some new foods, you know, seen some new things. We just had a good time. We went on Figment, you know, what else can you do? That makes it a best day ever. Because we're at Disney. So I want to thank you guys for coming along with us. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I need my subscribers. My numbers go up. I can start doing lives. There's a lot more I can do. We're getting to 1,000, so let's get there. We're almost there. So if you can help me out, help your girl out, and hit that subscribe button right there. That little the red one. Yeah, that one. Click it.
Is that what color it is?
Yeah, it's red.
Okay.
There's a bell right next to it. You can click that, and then you'll be notified every time I put a video out. But I want you guys to come back and see more. So in order to do that, you gotta subscribe. Yay! Oh, sorry. All right, it's been a fun day. Bye, guys. Thanks for coming with us. Bye. Bye. No monorail. No monorail.
Monorail.
Bye, guys.
Subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Ring.
And come back and see Yammy some more.
Yeah.